This is a follow and a continuation of 5-1 proportions. We're going to still try to find missing values. So 3 over 4 equals, that's simplified. 6 over 8 simplifies to 3/4. 15 over 20, there's some 5s in there, and that is 3/4. So y equals 3/4 x. I am going to now utilize that, and I'm going to say 12 is on top, which is 3 times 4, and this must be 4 times 4, so this is 16, and so this value is 16. On the next one, we're still finding missing values, and we are doing 4/5 simplified. 12 over 15 equals 3. Ooh, sorry, does not. It equals 4/5. 20 over 25 equals 4/5. That is a proportional relationship. And so I would have y equals 4/5. Well, that's kind of sloppy when I'm writing it like that, using my finger as I draw my screen. 4/5 x. Two things I can do is I can substitute this 16 in for the y and solve for x. Or I can say 16 over a number equals 4/5. Well, let me erase this so I don't know the denominator. And so I divided by 4 to get here. Divide by, that's not what I wanted, sorry. I divided by 4 to 16 divided by 4 gets to 4. So if I multiply by 4 to get back, this is 20. So this is 20. So if I take and go from here to here, that's divide by 4. So to get back, I can multiply by 4. You're finding a missing value. And then we're going to go do this one. Make sure that you are still doing the y over x. So 3 over 2, that's simplified. 6 over 4 simplifies to 3 over 2. 27 over 18, there's a bunch of 9s in there, so that simplifies to 3 over 2. And so then I have I don't know over 8 equals 3 over 2. So remember that it has to multiply or divide, so I divided by 4 here, so I divide by 4 to get there, so I multiply by 4 to get back, and that's 12. So that answer is 12, and if I did 12 divided by 8, that's 3 over 2 when I simplify, and my equation is y equals 3/2 x. Sometimes you'll have to be asking for the fraction. Okay, we're looking at this and deciding whether that this is proportional. So Zach pays $2.50 for each carnival ticket. If there is no fee, then it is proportional. And you're going to do y equals 2.50x. That 0 is only there because we're dealing with money, and that's another indication I'm dealing with money. Keep going. To compare ratios, we write them in fractional form. I'm going to stop right there.